writer, journalist, Taiba Zia Chima. She belonged to people who built Pakistan, who helped to create Pakistan, and that was an honor to this family. And being a journalist, one of the best things, in my opinion, last year, the question which was a lot of senior journalists, I think, not dare to ask the question in White House. When Imran Khan was visiting White House, she is the lady who raised the question. Maybe a lot of establishment people, both countries, don't like it. She asked about the victim of the mockery of the United States justice system, Dr. Afia Siddiqui, who is in prison, who was kidnapped by the poodle of Bush, Musharraf, 2003. And she lost her son, 6 months old baby, when they kidnapping her in Karachi, when she was leaving Karachi to meet her uncle in Rawalpindi. With accompanying barrister Dawood Ghaznavi, who's famous and got the fame and name when he represented overseas voting rights in Supreme Court of Pakistan. And being a barrister, he can appear in the highest court of Pakistan, and any barrister, even he has no long time practice over here. That's the legal thing, and maybe when he talk, he can, if I'm wrong, he can say something. And I have honored the Muslim Pakistani American Mariam. She's a freelance journalist, and you remember she hosted Washington Press Club when Mr. Dawood Ghaznavi was speaking regarding about the Afia, and then the Dawood Ghaznavi invited the people, big name of the Washington Press. I mean, he will maybe touch it. So today I am here and ask something about, because Taiba Zia, when you asked the question, what was in your mind that time? Because I think, if I'm wrong, people ask you not to ask the question about Dr. Afia in the name of national interest, in the name of security, whatever.
एक्चुअली उस वक्त ये माहौल बना हुआ था कि जो इंडियन प्रिजनर था शकील अफरीदी, तो इंडियन जर्नलिस्ट क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे, उस पर बात कर रहे थे, तो फ़ौरन क्लिक किया मेरे में कि भी अब ये पॉइंट ऐसा है कि मुझे आफिया की बात करनी है पाकिस्तानी प्रिजनर। तो इसलिए मैंने फ़ौरन वहाँ से मैं ट्रंप के पास खड़ी थी और मैं बिल्कुल सामने आके बात दोनों को मैंने एड्रेस करना था। लेकिन जब मैं आई तो फिर मुझे 2 जर्नलिस्ट पाकिस्तानी उन्होंने कहा कि आप ये क्वेश्चन ना करना है, हमें मना किया गया है। मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं किसी ने मना किया, करेंगे भी तो यही तो टाइम एक होता है, टाइमिंग होता है, उसके टाइमिंग बड़े ज़बरदस्त थे। और फ़ौरन ही जब शकील अफरीदी के बात पे ही आफिया की बात हुई तो वो एक ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ बन गई। इंडियंस भी अपसेट हो गए कि ये क्या क्वेश्चन ने किया है, और फिर इमरान भी थोड़े हैरान हो गए, इमरान खान भी, और वो सारा, लेकिन वो टाइमिंग्स बड़े ज़बरदस्त थे। गो के उसका I was not satisfied the answer of my prime minister, nor other people were satisfied, but at least we raised a question. It was on record, you know, in White House, that you are raising the question about Dr. Afia Siddiqui, when you're gonna release. And he is working, you know, we all are working, we all are part of that campaign.
I think you mentioned about the last year Imran Khan as a Prime Minister visit to White House. That's what you're talking about. Am I right?